Hey Rajiv, share your screen.
Yeah.
Is it coming? No, right?
I think, am I in the wrong? Fine. Oh,
Transaction
sorry,
status.
sorry. I went to that is the error screen, no? 609. Okay, come on.
Yeah, 5167.
Yes.
Just note that receipt number. Yeah, 5167. Okay. So as of now, like you have performed your receiving. Okay. So now for this order and for the purchase order, whether the alignment or the reservation for this has been happened or not, we need to check it. And during that place only, we will get to know whether this cross docking is working or not. So minimize it.
Hmm.
Yeah. Go to the warehouse management, or you can go to inventory also. Just we need to see the reservations. Okay. There is something called item reservations will be there. We need to see that. Yeah. Yeah. Reservations.
Nothing is reserved, no, as of now.
So, based upon this item we have given, so select that. One second, one second. Select that box. Include crossed out checkbox. Correct. So it will display what all the things that has been happened across this one. So if you want, we can select the item.
I'll just say find.
You can do a blank search also. That's fine. Click on find.
Where about?
Okay. Move little down.
A lot are there.
Yeah. If you see the bottom right,
Oh, okay.
your order came correct.
Yeah.
Now only search with your item. Just click on again the find. Just again click on the find. You can just give your item. Simple. Crossed off. Fine. Now you can see, right? Just go and see your supply. This is demand. This is your order. Just click on supply. See what it is showing.
Receiving.
Just scroll right side. Scroll right side. It will show your this one right side window. That's a right side window is there, right? Your right side another window.
Yeah, right side only.
No, you have two things to scroll, right?
Yeah, two.
Okay, that's fine. I am expecting maybe any purchase order can be displayed or
Yeah.
not.
It is there. No, here it's there. Type is receiving.
Receiving, but I am just seeing if any other options will show. That's what. Okay. All right. That's fine. So our demand, and there is some system is trying to say like, yes, there is something is there. We have done the reservation. You have, if you see the pending cross dock. Okay. Perfect. So it means like our cross docking criteria, whatever we defined so far, is working perfect.
Right.
Okay. So now let's go, and we have done the receiving. Now we need to do the next transaction, what? Put away. Like put away is nothing but cross docking criteria, which we are trying to do. We need to perform the put away. Close this. Uh, uh, yeah. Let's go and can you go and see the order status once order line status?
Yeah.
Go to order management and just see it, like for our understanding.
Yes.
You need to see the different statuses, different levels. So that's the reason. Not this one. Close this. Close this. Just see the shipping transaction form. Go and see shipping transaction form, and
Yeah,
again, we can see.
we'll check shipping also. Actually, I was curious to see here also. Is it still awaiting shipping or something else is there? Uh, Awaiting shipping. Yeah, this is good. I think shipping level only it changes. We'll see.
Yeah, here it will be once you perform picking only, then it will show, no?
Release to warehouse.
See, it has displayed what? Release to warehouse.
Yeah,
Correct?
allocation has happened. Yeah.
It means like we have not done any on-hand increment or something, but the system has done something to do this.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, yeah.
let's close this. So it itself will show, it shows that the cross-docking is successful. So far, whatever the configurations we have done, so far, whatever the process it went on, it is perfectly fine because our back order is working now. Okay, let's go and perform the put away. Let's go to the system, go back, go to task, directed task. Yeah, directed move. And yeah, you can enter your LPN here. Okay, 157A. Okay, fine. Click on drop, select drop. So here it should display. See, perfectly your staging sub inventory came into picture, correct?
Yeah, absolutely.
So you try to understand here.
Yes.
Ideally, if it is a put away, even though we are trying to perform a put away transaction, what is happening here in the system?
Correct. So as per it is directly asking us to move it.
As your criteria of cross-docking is available, that's the reason system. See, even if you see the staging sub inventory, from which place it came from your shipping parameters, correct?
Yes.
Yes or no? It came from your shipping parameters. So here you try to understand, you have performed the receiving. During the time you're receiving it, and if you want to perform the put away, the system is suggesting, hey, you have to, in place of moving this to your, if it, see, the two sub inventory, in case of put away, it will suggest your W1 sub 1, correct?
Yes.
Your put away sub inventory, it will suggest based upon the put away rule, correct?
No doubt. Yeah.
But now what system is suggesting? It is suggesting the staging.
Correct.
It means like the system is asking you to do the cross-dock operation, correct?
Yes.
Right? Go and confirm it. Click on confirm. Yeah. See, one second. The system is saying what? Just maximize it. Maximize. Click on the maximize option. See, the system is saying cross-dock material exists, cross-dock will be performed, correct?
Yeah.
Right. Now you have to confirm your location as well. Just confirm your location. Just click on drop full LPN. Simple. Your transaction is complete. Now let us go and see our sales order status. And as well shipping transaction form also. Just select shipping transaction form.
Yeah. Excellent. Yeah.
What it is saying? Stage or pick confirm. So it means like it is being pick confirm. Now it is on a staging thing. Next you have to perform the shipping transaction.
Excellent.
Ship confirm. Correct?
Yes.
So this is how your cross-docking. The next step is quite common. You will go and perform your ship confirmation. Just go and perform ship confirmation from here itself.
Yeah.
Go to delivery and perform. No problem. If you want, you can go and see your sales order status also. It will show as picked.
Yeah, that is fine. This is
okay. So this is basically a scenario where people try to ask you. It's fine. I think if it is that, click on OK.
What happened?
Is it not performing?
I think so. Let's see what is the issue there. What is the error? Let me see once again.
That's fine. Some error is there.
Yeah. I think someone is testing the shipping transportation outbound interface. Let me do one more thing. Let me do one.
It's fine.
1 second.
Can you? Okay.
1 second. Let me take that delivery. Okay. Someone has run.
Perfect. You have removed the exception, sir.
I think it's working now.
This one okay?
Oh.
Hmm.
Carrier.
No, that's fine.
This is
See,
okay.
the intention here is till that logic is all about the cross docking from receiving dock area to the staging area. Okay, that is what only our concept is. Like these all are
Done.
like again normal.
Yeah, done.
Anyhow, it works.
Done.
Perfect.
Okay.
Perfect.
So
Good
that,
job.
that was, yeah, that was just a warning message because shipping calendar Sunday is a holiday. No, it
I
just
understand. Correct. I understand because
so
we are on a weekend and
yeah,
the calendar is not been set up. Even I thought like maybe if it doesn't work, then we need to change the calendar. But perfectly, it has taken up.
yeah,
So
is what.
this is how mean by opportunistic crossdock. So the system will try to see it and it will suggest if anything is going to come, and the system will automatically allocate that material. Okay, and the reservation will happen. The key thing is we need to see the reservation. Okay, so are you clear with the steps what we have performed, or you want to have a note down on the notepad?
No, absolutely clear. This recording should be fine. Jairam, you there? Jairam?
Yes, Rajiv.
This is good, no? You understood, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, this is fine. Recording will go through. I'll share with Jairam. Hello?
Okay, perfect. Yeah, you can share to all of us.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure. I'll share with you also.
Anyhow, we need to have multiple recordings today. One is already done, second is there.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. So now let's go and perform. Yeah, close this. So this is all about your opportunistic cross docking. Now we will talk about our planned cross docking. So what is
Santosh.
meant by planned cross docking is nothing but, so it is also kind of a same, but the only difference is we will perform it
Jairam?
through different
Hello,
process. Um,
Santosh. Hello,
Jairam.
Santosh. I'm going to another meeting. Santosh, I'm leaving actually urgent. I have
Sorry,
some. I'm going to other meeting now.
what year? Hardly you haven't spent 1 hour also.
No, because actually I have another meeting. I have office today, Santosh. Evening.
Correct, yeah, but we have missed out yesterday also, Friday also.
Morning we can continue 2 hours. Yeah. Evening actually I have some work. That's why.
No, but based upon this Rajiv update only, like we thought about to complete. No? I thought like to complete this plan also today. So
Okay. Otherwise you can continue. Actually, I'm leaving. Anyway video is there, right? Recording.
okay, that's fine. See, we will try from our side, okay, and
Yeah.
I'll go ahead, and if something is there, then we can try up tomorrow. We'll have a review. Anyhow, it is doesn't going to take much time, 15-20 minutes. The same setup and all those things we need to done. No problem. You can go ahead, and we will try to
Otherwise,
complete.
I'm on mute. I'm on mute. I'll go there.
Yeah. So yeah, let's go ahead,
Okay.
Rajiv.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so that's how we have done our opportunistic cross docking. Now let's go ahead and see how the planned cross docking is going to perform. Okay, so this planned cross docking is like basically you need to do the pick release process. The only difference is here you will try to perform the pick release process. There you don't perform any pick release process. So we will try to understand the different changes which is going to happen here. So what we will do in the sense, better we will try to create new, yeah, you can create a rule. XX the same way. Just try to give in place of that the PP planned.
Yeah, yeah.
Just a minute, Rajiv. Just a minute.
Yeah, I'm also coming. 1 second. Huh? 1 second.
Yeah. So yeah, Rajiv. Here the second the criteria we need to select it as a planned cross docking. So cross docking window you can give like 5 hours. The same thing like 5 hours.
Hello?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Rajiv.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, you can give like 5 hours. Correct.
Yeah.
5 hours. Then order pricing processing time also you can give like 1 hour something, and the buffer time also you can mention like 1 hour. Okay. So if there is any like maximum cross dock. So here the thing is, here when you select the planned cross dock, you got multiple things here, which is nothing but documents with dock assignment. Here you see supply thing also came into picture. Earlier it was only demand thing came, but now supply thing. No, 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 not there. At the bottom only, I'm trying to say. So supply schedule. So just select both as earliest. Yeah, earliest appointment time. Yeah, earliest. Select both as earliest. Just go to the supply window now. Yeah. So it talks about now the this one. So select your approved PO because we are material in receiving also. Material in receiving, no, that you can select that also, no problem. See, as we don't have ASN, we don't have based upon PO, you will create an ASN that is not available with the purchasing. Okay. So we are not selecting that internal requisition and everything. So we just selected these two, just save it. Okay. So now you have created your planned cross docking. Just go and attach it in your rules workbench. Yeah. Meanwhile, okay. Can you create an item?
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Let's create.
Close this. Close this. Go to inventory and create an item. Just give like XXPP so that it will be reference of planned cross docking. Plan. Yes. Just apply the purchasing template. Just go and see your organization level also whether the attributes came or not.
It will come now.
Yeah, close this, no problem. Okay. Yeah. So now just go to our warehouse manager responsibility and just try to rules workbench. Rules workbench. Scroll little down. W1.
Yep.
Yeah. Go and just set your plan across. Uncheck that first one. Uncheck the first one. No, no. Go to that. Yeah. Uncheck it. Yeah. Just select. Give 5. Just select your this one. Scroll towards right slowly. Yeah, you can select your which one, like planned, right? You have given some planned. The last one, I think, land, last one. Yeah, select that. Yeah, just save it. Enable it and save it.
Okay.
Okay, you just saved it, right? Perfect. Yeah, now let's go. So this is one thing. See, the main thing is now we have not seen there is something called operation plan. Okay. Operation plan is like you will try to perform it when you want to do any it's seeded operations which usually will be available. You can go to warehouses. Yeah, warehouses. Just scroll a little down. Operation plan, you will try to find something called operation plans. Go there. So as I mentioned, right, these operation plans, two things will be there. Just select that list of value, plan type. Okay, standard inspection and cross document. If you remember, we have seen this one. Yeah, just select the cross document. You can define saying like cross docking operation plan. So usually you have close this one, close this one, close this one. Usually you have a seeded one. Select that operation plan again. Yes, just control, just give it control. Yeah, you have something called, you can find a cross dock something. Just go the plan type based on cross dock. If you see here, separate cross dock, go down another, just let's see other. Go there. Yeah. You have only one available.
Yeah.
Based on cross dock, you have only one available.
This also is the class stock. This is for sales order.
You have this one, correct? Default cross dock plan for sales or internet order. Okay, this is the one which you have it. Scroll towards the right. Let's see. Okay, perfect. Just select on that zone and this one, zone or sub inventory or okay, that's fine. Okay, close this. Uh, we can use the standard one if you want to have an operation plan. That's okay. We need to set up a default staging line. Like staging line, we already have that in the OM parameters, right? We already have it. Okay, so we don't need to worry about it. The cross docking one, perfect. That is also been there. So let's go ahead and create a sales order. Maybe you can copy the existing one and just change the line.
Yeah, sales order
Yeah,
because everything is defaulting, no? If I just
yeah,
enter 1143, it's enough.
I understand. Correct.
Uh,
No. That, yeah.
okay.
We have not a scheduling rule. You just see the scheduling date, what it is arrived.
Same. 541.
Okay, so earlier what we have taken during that time,
Same only.
it has taken the same way, na?
Yeah. It did not allow us to change the date.
Okay, that's fine. So you have created an order now, 66472. Copy that order. Yeah, copy that order. Okay, so let's go and
You?
create a purchase order as well. So here also you just try to make sure the dates, right? Promise date and nearby date, which is close to our this one. Okay. Okay. Go to shipments. Select W1 again, W1, W1. Perfect. Receiving controls also give that. And wait. Yeah. Save it. Approve it. 6100.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Okay. So now we need to do the this one allocation part. Okay. So let's go and try to let's go to the shipping transaction form.
Order management.
Yeah. Yeah. So okay, it is ready, and the next step is quick release. Correct. So let's go and perform release sales order. That one.
Yeah, but it will fail. It get back ordered.
No. We haven't done this next process, right? We haven't performed this one, right? Now we need to say close this. We haven't yet released, right? Once we release the sales order only, it will come with, right?
Correct,
To the
correct.
back. So now it's not the case about the back order. It should now our case is we have performed the PO. Approved PO should get aligned to that order. Okay. So let's go and go to the this one release. Go to warehouse. Yeah. Go to warehouse. Select it. Go to outbound. Release. Yeah. Release pick wave. Just select your order and whatever you define, right? Release sales order for picking, right? Select that. You have selected that, no? Like the defaulted. What we have used? MRW. Cancel it and just give MRW. Yeah. Second. Yeah. Go to shipping. Yeah. Go to the last tab. Okay. Select the inventory allocation method, right? We are not doing from inventory. We are trying to do from the cross-docking criteria. Select that as cross-docking. Yes. Select that as a cross-dock only and just give our criteria, whichever is here. The plan, right? It automatically comes, the planned one. Okay. I think perfect. Just again click on the concurrent.
On that,
Yeah, click on concurrent.
click on.
The concurrent is there, no?
Oh, concurrent. Okay. So this is okay. MRW stage is okay, right?
It is fine. See here, this is only the difference. We are trying to do the allocation
Yeah.
based on cross-dock.
Yep.
Yeah, try to complete that. Okay.
Yeah. This is
Close this. That's fine. Close this. Let's go to the let's go and see the status shipping transaction. Go to the shipment planning and transactions. Just select your order. Yeah. Enter your order number. Just give line status as blank. Fine. See, here you are seeing, right? The status has become planned for cross-docking.
Yes.
And the next step is receive cross-docked supply. It means like the system is suggesting you to, it is saying like your order, whichever is there, it is planned for the cross-docking. You got it, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So now let's go ahead and try to perform. Let's go and see the reservations. So now, as of now, the system is saying like cross-docking is going to happen. So now here only, no, go to inquiry here only. Okay, that's fine. The warehouse management only. If you go to inquire,
Oh, reservations are there also. Huh?
there also you'll have it. W1. Yeah. Again, you select here the cross-dock only. Dates, just change the dates. Nearby date.
Yeah.
Just click on find. Let's see. Click on find. Just go and see the bottom whether our order came into picture here or not.
Yeah.
See, 472. Now you can search based upon this item.
Oh, here
See.
purchase order is coming.
This is what I am expecting actually. Just select the item, item. Yeah, again, click on find, search window, search.
Yeah.
Go to the search, yeah. Just enter the item there. Click on find. Yeah, if you can see now, this is what I'm expecting. This will come in the planned purchase order. That's what I am saying, right? Earlier, like I need to see the purchase order. It comes in the, go to the supply now. It comes under supply. So it means like for this order, which purchase order needs to get aligned. So
Right.
this is the purchase order 6100. Now you got it, right? This is how we linked.
Yeah.
This is how we linked the sales order with the purchase order. You understood the difference, right? The system has automatically suggested you. Correct?
Yep. Yep.
Perfect. So if you see the status also, now shipping status is pending cross dock. Let's go ahead and perform the cross dock. Okay. Let's go ahead and perform the receiving. Close this. Yeah. Inbound.
Yeah.
Go to inbound. Receive. PO. Enter your 6100. Yeah, enter your line number. Just click on search. No problem. Wait. Okay, got it. Your item got it. Hit Control G.
Line number not required. Huh?
That's fine. You got an item, right? Okay, 158A. Okay, just save that. Okay, so yeah, hit location enter. Yeah, here you give again your receiving sub inventory, which you have selected earlier, right? Just select that. Yeah, again search, select that. Yeah, give the quantity, one quantity, click on done. Okay, click on done. So 5169 is your receipt number. Okay, now let's go and perform. You have received now, right? So one second. Again, go and see the reservations once. Go to supply. Okay, now it came to type receiving.
Yeah.
Correct? You're not trying to see your purchase order here.
Correct.
Okay, earlier it was the different. Close this. Now let's go and see our sales order status as well. Because now you got the on-hand quantity. Let's see what happens with our sales order status. You got it, right?
Yes.
Yeah, outbound logistics. No, inquiry. Go to,
Not this one. Huh?
that's fine. 66472. Yeah, click on find. See, now the change status is changed. release to warehouse, correct? You got to see the difference in the status, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Now let's go and perform closes. See, as we have mentioned, the tasks are available. Just go to WMS control board now. Let's go to WMS control board, the 7th option. Select W1. Here, select the cross-dock. Criteria is cross-dock. Because we have selected as a planned task, correct? So that's the reason. Unreleased, pending. No. Okay, that's fine. Just select your item as well. No, those all not needed. Select your item on the right side. Right side. Yeah, item. Just plan. 5 it came here. 5 it came. Because we selected the plan task here. That's the reason we are expecting a task. Click on find. Okay, if you see your cross-docking thing here, just go to manage. It is in pending. Go to manage. Select the status as queued. Okay. So it is still in pending status, right? Pending. Okay. Oh yeah, no. We just saw the task. Okay, cancel it because already it is in the pending status. Now we have to go and perform the receiving. Okay, just we are ensuring the task came up or not. I just want to ensure the location. Yeah, just go and WMS control board again. Go there again. Yeah, cross dock. Just select your item. Simple, and just select status as unreleased or pending. Pending. Click on the pending, unreleased and pending. Yeah, just scroll right side. Hello. Chepandi. See, if you see here, the right side, scroll right side, you will see the sub inventory and all those details. See the delivery detail. You are not seeing the sub inventory. Okay, fine. Close this. Close this. So the next thing is like you have to perform the picking process.
Picking, or we have to complete
Right? Normal picking process.
Don't we have to complete the receiving?
Yeah, you can go and perform the receiving now. Let's go to RF, directed task, directed move. Enter your LPN number. It has to display. You can find, drop. Yeah, you got your staging sub inventory. STA, confirm it. STA. Just give the scan the confirm the location as well. Drop full LPN. Yeah, you can see the message. Cross dock material exists. Drop full LPN.
No message is there.
Enter. Yeah. Click on drop full LPN. Just go and see your order status. Yeah, there only. Correct. It will show, it should, our ideal expectation is it should show now as pick released. Okay, or the staging or fix.
The meeting is going to end any moment.
Click on fine, no problem, fine.